Hello friends, welcome to SMA vlog. I'm Shahid. Today I'm going to prepare a very delicious chicken soup. I like this chicken soup so much because it's very easy to prepare and very tasty to eat. So let's go for it. I will show you all the process, all the ingredients, how we can make it, and we can enjoy with your family soon. So let's go for it. To make this chicken soup, first I'm going to use some shredded chicken. This is basically regular chicken. I took some chicken breast, boiled it into water, sliced them into small pieces. Next I'm going to use a small pack of instant noodle. After that I'm going to use a chicken flavored bouillon and 1 egg. To give a nice flavor to this chicken soup, I'm going to use a little bit of sweet chili sauce. And that's everything. So to prepare this chicken soup, first I need to add 2000 ml of water into my instant pot. I need to fire it up at this point. Alright. So first of all, as I took this Maggi chicken flavored bouillon, I'll take one small pack of it from inside this. Each packet have 2 small packet inside, so I'm going to use only 1 packet of chicken flavored bouillon. If you want more chicken flavor, you can use 2, but 1 is enough for this. I'm opening this chicken flavored bouillon and I'm just adding this chicken flavored bouillon inside this. Next I'm going to use this instant noodle pack, and in this case, one tip I need to give you that you need to crash this noodle properly before putting into the instant pot. So I broke it properly. And this is the pack of spices that came inside this instant noodle. I'm going to use it and I'll put everything inside this soup. Next I am going to put this chicken inside this instant pot. One thing I need to mention about this chicken that already I have added inside this instant pot is that I tried to crash or make those chickens as small as possible. If you make it small, very small, it will be better because it's a soup and the chicken will come in your every bite, so you will prefer to make it as small as possible. And the final ingredient is this sweet and chili sauce. I'm going to add a little bit of sauce, and that's it. Let's give it a stir. Now we'll close the lid, and I have to make sure this pressure release button in the lock position. Now I will press the soup button. It is showing me it will take 20 minutes. What I can do, I will prefer to have it 18 minutes. So that's it guys. So after 18 minutes this soup will be ready. Then we'll finish our rest of the process. So let's wait for next 18 minutes, and after 18 minutes I will show the rest of the process. So alright guys, my cooking is over. 18 minutes is over. So now I can press the cancel button and release the pressure. Soup is almost done, and I need to do one more thing, which is the last thing to do to finish this cooking. I took 1 egg At this point I have to press the saute button. So I just took one egg and I have to mix it properly. So at this point I just need to wait a little bit to boil this soup. In the boiling soup I need to put this egg inside. So I have to wait around 2-3 minutes because I just pressed the saute button now. So it will take 2-3 minutes to boil the soup. As this is boiling hot right now, so I'm going to add the egg inside it. And we have to put the egg very slowly inside this soup. And in one hand you have to put the egg, and with another hand you have to stir the soup. That's it. So guys, the soup is almost done, and just I need to wait 2-3 minutes more to finish the cooking. Yes, this is done. Now I have to press the cancel button, and that's it. Soup is ready. So guys, the soup is ready. Now I already served myself. Let's try it. It's very nice, very tasty, and it looks awesome too. And you see the chicken, and these are the eggs, and also you have the noodles, and on top of that you have the chicken flavor. It's very nice. During the breakfast, having a soup on the side, it's really wonderful. So that's it guys. You can prepare this soup during the breakfast very easily, and that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, please thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also click the bell icon so that it will notify you when I upload my next video. So till then, have fun and enjoy your soup. Bye bye.